Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, my name is Mohita Singh and I'm going to teach you SST. Okay, children? As you all know, students, Chapter 10 Occupations is going on. In our previous class, children, we had already discussed about farming, cattle rearing, farming related occupations, forest related occupations. These topic, children, we had already discussed in our previous class. Now, children, we will start our class from fishing topic. Okay. So, fishing is our today's topic. Okay. So, let's start the class. The main occupation of the people living in coastal areas is fishing. Children, the main occupation, main activity of the people, those who lives in coastal areas is fishing. Okay. Fish are one of the main sources of food. Children, fish are one of the main sources of food. Those people who live in coastal areas. Okay, near the coastal areas. Fish. There are some other ways of earning money from fishing. Children, there are also some other ways of earning money from fishing. People can also earn money by different ways from fishing. Okay, you can see a fisherman. Okay, he is catching fishes in his net. Okay, children, fish oil is also extracted from some special kind of fish. Fish oil is also extracted from some special kind of fish. Okay. Fish are salted and packed in tins and sold at far off places. Children, fishes are also salted and packed in tins and sold at far off places. Children, fish of our country, it is also salted and packed in tins and it is exported to different countries, far off places. Okay. Processed fish is also exported. Children, processed, it means here ready fish. Okay. Ready to eat fish is also exported in different countries from our country. Okay. Now you can see the pictures related to fishing. Okay. See here. This is the picture of fishing. Men are doing fishing here. Okay. Men are doing fishing. Here you can also see fishing related picture. Here this one is also a picture. Now children, in this picture you can see fish oil. Fish oil is extracted from some special kind of fish. Here you can see fish oil tablets. Okay. This is children processed fish. Okay. Processed fish is also exported. Processed fish, or you can say tin fish. Okay. Fish are salted and packed in tins and sold at far off places. Okay. You have seen the pictures. Now children, everyone come to the topic mining. Okay. Many parts of our country have large deposits of minerals. Children, many parts of our country have large deposits of minerals. Some of these minerals are coal, iron and mica. Children, some of these minerals are known as coal, iron and mica. Okay. The process of obtaining such minerals from inside the earth is called as mining. Children, act of extracting minerals from deep inside the earth is called as mining. Okay. There are many occupations that depend on mining. Children, in our country, there are many occupations that depend on mining. Okay. We get iron and other metals from these minerals. Also, children, we get other metals from these minerals such as coal, iron and mica. Okay. Many products like bicycles, sieving machine, railway coaches and other types of machinery are made from these metals. Children, many products like bicycles, sieving machines, railway coaches and other types of machinery are made from metals. From these metals, these things are made. Okay, children? see the picture of inside view of a coal mine. In this, you can see inside view of a coal mine. Okay. Now, see the related pictures of mining topic. Okay, children. Now, everyone come to see the pictures. Here you can see coal mines. Okay. Outer view of a coal mine. Here you can see coal, iron and mica. Okay. These are the minerals which we obtain from inside the earth. Okay. This is inside the earth. Picture of coal mines. Okay. This is also the picture of coal mine. Okay. You can see. This is also the picture of coal mines, children. You can see men in this picture also. Here you can see many products like bicycles, sheaving machine, railway coaches, and other types of machinery are made from these metals which we obtain from inside the earth, from minerals. Okay. Now children, come to the other topic. Next topic, other occupations. Okay. Most of the people in cities earn money by working in offices and factories. Children, most of the people in cities earn money by working in offices and factories. In our country, children, people of cities earn money by different works. They work in offices, they work in factories. Okay. In this manner, they earn money. Okay. Some people run their own shops. Some people also run their own shops. Some people are having their own shops. Okay. A few people earn from occupations such as acting, singing, dancing, etc. Children, a few people also earn money from acting, singing and dancing. These are also called occupations. Okay, now you can see the related pictures to this topic. Children, here you can see men are working in the factories. In this picture, you can see people are working in factories. Okay, so most of the people in cities earn money by working in offices and also factories. Some people run their own shops. You can see this fruit seller. He has his own shop. He's working in his own shop. He has his own shop. Okay. A few people also earn money from occupations such as acting. In this picture, you can see Amir Khan. He is an actor and his occupation is acting. Okay. He earns money by acting. Here in this picture, you can see singer. Okay. Singing is also a profession. It is also an occupation. Now in another picture, you can see dancer. Okay. She is a dancer and she is doing dancing as she earns money by dancing occupation. Okay. Dancing profession. So children, I have shown you all the pictures related to fishing, mining and other occupations topic. Okay. So children, that's all for today. In our next class, we will discuss question answer of this chapter, chapter 10. Till then, children, must take care. Bye bye and thank you everyone.